Damn.
Anyways, I'm extremely bored, so I have a new science experiment. I'm really excited about this. In Texas, it's so hot, or I don't know, something about Texas. Anytime there's a body of water, mosquitoes and maggots and all these crazy like creatures just immediately make they make babies in there, and it's ridiculous. So this is what we're doing. I bought this little pool. So we're trying to make it as habitable as possible. Ooh, bug beach. And then we got bamboo. Oh, earwig, gross! These are mealworms. So yeah, those will be chill. This is mosquito paradise.